Really good way to support your garden during the summer months is to, one, move containers to shadier spots in your garden. Even if it's only for like a few hours, the hottest part of the day, if you can move them out of direct sun, out of the heat, into a shadier spot, and then move them back again in like the evening or in the afternoon or whatever, this will give them a much needed respite. They just that little bit of recovery time that they need to like just get themselves together and recover from the heat. And then 2, create shading for plants with netting, greenhouse shading, physical shade barriers. If you've got them, parasols from your garden, like tables, anything like that, you can use in your greenhouse. You can use greenhouse paint to paint the glass to shade your plants in there if they need it. Because as we know, greenhouse plants still need shade at certain times of the day as well. So you can use the greenhouse paint, or the greenhouse shading. You can also use companion plants as well. Planting plants in your garden with larger leaves can actually provide a lot of support for plants that are a little bit more sensitive to wind and light, and they need a bit more of a shadier area. Woodland type plants that thrive in the woods or in undergrowth. These will be plants that would appreciate companion planting like this. And it's particularly hot in the middle of the summer. Lots of plants would appreciate a little bit of shade from big leafed plants. So by having these dotted around your garden, you're actually going to be doing quite a few of your plants a big favour by providing a little bit of shade. So this is a really good way of incorporating companion planting, physical companion planting in your garden to help support your garden.